Merry Christmas from Bartlett, Tennessee. It is currently like 3 a.m. right now, and I'm running into shit, but it's currently 3 a.m. I just wanted to leave y'all with this video. Merry Christmas. I hope you all have an extraordinary Christmas holiday, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, happy holidays, happy Kwanzaa, happy whatever you celebrate, Hanukkah, whatever. Merry Christmas, Isaac! Good boy. Good boy. I apologize for being absent on YouTube for the past 2 weeks. After jury duty, I got to pick up some hours at work. Like 50 hours. Wednesday through Sunday. And then the following week, I worked almost 80 hours. So I really did not have time to record myself and create the content that I wanted to create. I'm going to have to keep working like this for the next 2 months because I have a 2-month trip ahead of me to Los Angeles, Hong Kong, Thailand, and maybe another Asian country. And then when I come back, I kind of want to, I don't know. I only plan on spending like $3,500 on that trip, and I'm trying to save up like $7,000 so I'm able to just hop back on another trip as soon as I get home. Like, I plan on coming home April 25th, around that time, and my birthday is June 4th, so I have like a month before I'd like to get back to Los Angeles so I can get back to Asia. So I'm trying to save up double the money that I'm budgeting for on this 2-month trip. So if I have double the money, I should be able to be fine with hopping back on another trip to Asia a month later after I come home. So isn't he cute? Handsome. 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 Oh my god. Are you getting mad? Are you getting mad? Don't get mad. You're cute. You're cute, bud. Merry Christmas. My name is Zack, and I do like to backpack around the world. Be sure to smash that subscribe button before you leave this video. I have some very big things planned in 2019. It's gonna be an incredible year.